Hi everyone, this is Neha. So I always in the beginning video I keep telling you what are the things that you should remember before you start. So I hope you know that the right posture, right place, you are comfortable. So without any further delay, let's start the session today. So before we start, make sure that you sit in a position where you keep your spine straight. That's either in Vajrasana or in Sukhasana or on the floor or in the chair. Okay. Turn your palm to the ceiling. We try to take few breaths initially in the beginning just to get our mind and body synchronized, and once you do that we can start pranayamas further. Okay. Now keep your eyes closed, spine straight. Take few breath in and few breath out. And slowly try to drag your breath a little more longer and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now open your eyes. Today let's start with Kapalbhati. So now if you already know how to practice Kapalbhati, if you have been doing the practice in the past, please continue to practice along with me, or you can just start practice, because I will be teaching how to practice Kapalbhati to the super beginners. Okay. So here there are different variants in which you can practice Kapalbhati based on your capacity. So if you have been practicing for some time, and the advanced level would be forcefully exhalation from your nostril, and inhalation will become super passive where you do not even know that you are breathing in. It should be that silent, but breathe out is a bit with force. For example, you can just watch me out. Do not move your shoulder. Take your stomach in and exhale from your nostril. So in between the gap of your breathe out, you are going to breathe in. Alright. Now if you are a beginner, I do not want you to start with this fast movement. So slow it down. You inhale normally and exhale with forcefully once. Okay. Again you take some time. Inhale. Again you inhale. So we will do it in 3 rounds where we will try to increase the speed a little. So whichever speed is perfect for you, you practice accordingly. Okay. Now we are going to do only 10 times. All these breath we are going to keep only 10 counts. So let us start with the beginner variant. Keep your spine straight, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. One more. Inhale. Now be ready to exhale from the nostril forcefully. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Continue 8 more times. Relax. Keep your breath relaxed. Eyes closed. Next one we will do slightly faster. You can just watch me out for some time and then you can start practicing. You are going to decrease the time duration between your 2 breath out. You can see me once. Take a deep breath in. Okay, now let's do this 15 counts. Deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in. Let's start. Relax. Relax your breath completely. Now we'll try to take our breath faster, in and out. We're going to speed up the process a little more in this variation. Now, if you are not very comfortable, and if you are comfortable with the previous any one of them, please continue. Now, deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in. Start. Relax. Continue to take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Please keep your eyes closed. Try not to open your eyes. A long breath in and a long breath out. Close your right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Deep breath in. Hold your breath for a second. Exhale from your right side. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Drop your hands down. Now continue to take a deep breathe in, breathe out 4 to 5 times. Now just keep your breath normal, okay, don't have to make it bigger or smaller. Just try to take your attention on the breath and see how are you breathing. You can slow down the way you're breathing, that means you're just making it a little more relaxing, and then continue to keep your focus on your breath. Try to be focused, try not to get distracted. Now, do not open your eyes. Just turn around and try to lie down on your back into Shavasana. Turn your palm to the ceiling. Keep both the hands and your legs apart from each other and try to drop your entire body weight down on the floor. You're just not holding yourself back at all. Keep your one hand on the stomach, one hand on the chest. Now just continue to breathe longer and find the difference. Expand your stomach and your chest each time you breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out, and also try to see that your spine is touching the ground. Now lift your both the hands over the head on the ground. Just try to stretch your hands out. Now bend your both the knee. Slowly turn towards your right side and slowly try to sit up. Please keep your eyes closed. Spine straight. Take one deep breath in. Deep breath out. Get your palm together, Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm nicely. Drop it to your eyes. Stay there for a second. Once again, rub your both the palm nicely. Make it warm. Drop it on your eyes. Slowly drag your hands to the shoulder, to the spine, to the knee. Place your hands to the knee. Just hold there for a second. Feel the warmness on your knee right now. Open your eyes, look into your palm. Thank you so much. A very good morning and a very peaceful morning. I hope you really enjoyed practicing, and do like the video and drop a comment about your experience. Would love to see what you feel. We'll see you tomorrow same time. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you. I am also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.